everybody, it's Elizabeth from Country Sampler Home. I recently learned exactly how easy it is to press flowers so that you can save the spring and summer blooms that you see everywhere forever. Use them for craft projects. I like to put them on note cards or like bookmarks. If you laminate them, you can use them as drink garnishes if you use something edible like pansies or lavender or even chamomile. For our summer 2026 issue, in honor of the 250th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence, we made this really neat pressed flower flag using dark blue pansies and an assortment of other white and red pressed flowers that we put on a copy of the Declaration of Independence and put in a frame. Super simple, just took a little bit of patience and a little bit of glue. Otherwise, all you need to press flowers is a really heavy book like this collection of Shakespeare that I have, and some acid-free paper or cardstock. I prefer cardstock because it makes it easier to transport the dried flowers without accidentally breaking them while you're moving them around. And then I have a pen and some tape to kind of hold everything together and label it. And aside from that, all you need is a couple weeks of patience. First, gather up your blooms. Snip flowers from your yard, gather some on a hike if it's allowed, or buy a store-bought bouquet. Single layer flowers are the best choices. That includes most wildflowers or garden annuals like pansies, daisies, or geraniums. Cuttings from flowering shrubs like lilacs are also a great choice because their flowers are small and will press well. Flowers with more petals, such as roses or peonies, are difficult to press without damaging the bud, while thin-petaled flowers such as impatiens can tear easily when they're dried. Once you've gathered your flowers, arrange them by type in a single layer on a piece of acid-free cardstock. Trim away any excess leaves and stems as needed. Label a second piece of cardstock with the type of flower and the date. Place the labeled sheet over the flowers, then press with your hands. Tape each edge. Repeat the process for each type of flower you're pressing. Place bundled flowers inside your large book every 30 pages or so. This will help make sure that your flowers dry flat. After a few weeks, carefully remove a packet from the book and cut away the tape to reveal your perfectly pressed flowers. That's all there is to it. For more ideas like this, pick up the latest issue of Country Sampler Home on newsstands now, or subscribe and follow us on YouTube and our other social media channels.